Buongiorno and Happy New Year, Buon Anno from our home in Sicily. We're going to take you to Taormina to show you highlights of New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. It rained a little bit, but still it was a great party with fabulous food and great people. Then we're going to take you up to Castelmola, the home of almond wine, and we'll take you inside a cafe that is just, I'll just say, cozy.
This was a trip of a lifetime for the clients that came with us. Why don't you come next year? 10 rooms we have, 3 are already reserved. You need to come. I'm telling you right now, Eszter. Let's go.
Beautiful. Now this is new. This is new. This wasn't here last year. They do something different every year, and I love that. I'll be honest with you, even with this rain, you know what? It's still Taormina, and it's still magical. All right, we decided to do it again, Dolce Gabbana. Except this time we're having hot chocolate. I'm having tea again. And here's our buddy Roberto and Ellen with our hot chocolate. Buono. And this one's wearing his New England Patriot. And it's raining. This is the spread for New Year's Eve at the Excelsior. All right, let's see what we have here for antipasta, because this is a road that just keeps on growing and growing. Buonasera. Let's see what else we have here. Oh my gosh, and in there as well. Here we have couscous and looks like caponata. Some more octopus salad. And look at this beautiful hall. Down here I see some arancini. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is what I can't wait for. Right here. My heart is completely full. Look at this beautiful table. There's Alfred, and let me show you the other table. That's our other table. Beautiful. Beautiful. He's so excited. Everyone is so festive and ready for the party. This is some kind of a salmon something over bread. We have some kind of a lobster thing here. I have to tell you, this is extremely tasty. This lobster has a lemon sauce, and this fish with the balsamic glaze is just mouth-watering, and a piece of mint. Risotto with pomegranates and herbs. Looks good. Oh my. That is a beautiful salad.
Before I moved on to...
Here we are with the ravioli with the pumpkin sauce, and that's mushrooms, shaved mushrooms. Just have a taste. What's in it? He's got the move down. All right, red snapper with herbs and steamed vegetables.
$1,000 a year. If you did the same thing...
Buonissimo, buonissimo. More food, dried candies, fish, dates.
Well, not the outside.
To say I'm over the top excited. I can't believe I'm here with these beautiful people. My heart is piano, 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 full. Taormina doesn't disappoint. Woo! Oh, how beautiful. Yes. Even with rain.
Thank you, Eszter.
Sicilians put it up. Our superstar dancers are back. Let's see. Well, there you go. They're grooving. Wow, look at these two ladies. Our new friend Linda. Buongiorno, buon anno, Happy New Year. Well, it's not exactly where it's usually bright and beautiful January 1st, but guess what? I'm alive. You're alive. I'm here in Taormina. I'm here with a group of beautiful people and Alfred. So guess what? It's great no matter what. Listen, I want to thank you for being part of our group here of fans, of people who watch us. It really means so much to us. So here's to another new year.
Milk the goat.
All right, up to Castelmola. Quite a climb up from Taormina.
Just beautiful.
Not for the faint of heart. Whoops. There's an elevator, but it's broken. You can barely make out Reggio Calabria over there. Mainland Italy.
We're in Castelmola.
Castelmola, and you have a typical Sicilian wandering around.
Look at this. San Giorgio. Oh my God.
You better be very mobile if you're coming here, because there's lots of stairs everywhere. There's a bar here called Bar Turisi. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to go there personally, but our friend Tom gets some video. The theme is, well, penis everywhere. So instead, I'm going to wait in here where it's a lot warmer. It's pretty cold. This is such a quaint little cute place. Here's a nativity scene right where they usually serve the ice cream. Very creative, huh? This is Sabrina. She's the daughter of the owner. Da quando?
Hello. 40 years we are owning the bar, and the cafe has got 117 years. It's the first
Wow.
cafe in Castelmola, a very old one, the place where the tourism in Castelmola was born, and also where the almond wine was born.
This is where the almond wine was born.
Yes, the first
How?
owner of the almond, of the bar.
Who came up with this idea of making almond wine?
Mr. Blandano, the first owner of the Cafe San Giorgio. He was doing like it at home, and he was doing different kind of liqueur, like with the cherry, with the black cherry, and also with the almond, which was very common in the past in this area of Sicily. It was very common having almonds, and he thought it was a good idea to create a special liqueur. And it's actually a wine, but it's more a dessert wine, like a liqueur.
It's delicious.
It is.
And Castelmola is known for
the almond wine. And this cafe is also known because of a collection of guest books. At the beginning of the century, Mr. Blandano started a tradition of collecting signature of big names from the past coming in Castelmola. Big names like Rockefeller.
Wow.
And, yeah. Winston Churchill, they said that big names from the past, also Welsh, like so filmmakers. So they came here and visited Taormina. They came up here, and Mr. Blandano offered them a spot to enjoy the view and to enjoy the almond wine, his own specialty.
Castelmola, the views and the almond wine, and of course the biscottis. And that's the original one. How many years ago?
117.
That is fascinating.
1907 is the
1907.
the cafe.
Your English is excellent.
Thank you.
It is a pleasure to be here. I'm having a little bit of tea.
A tea, a coffee,
A tea,
a
a-
granita in the summer, during the summer, a granita, a pizza during the summer, yeah.
That's him right here.
And here there's the
Accidentally
story.
came up with the almond wine. And it started all right here. Look at these old pictures. The atmosphere in this little bar is just, what's the word I want to use? I want to use quaint, cozy. Cozy. This is a cozy little place. Part of the Sicilian cart, and all these little antique pieces here. And look at this view. Well, this is not bad, huh? I didn't get to go to Bar Teresi, but you know what? What a view and what a story in this bar. Make sure you stop by and have the original almond wine in this bar. These are the keys. They're called the keys to hold the Sicilian carts together. Everywhere you look over here, there's some kind of antique piece. It's like a little mini museum.
All we had to do was go down to this first.
If you're in Taormina, definitely worth a ride up here. Very unusual little town. One of the most beautiful in Sicily. This is an absolutely beautiful display. Very unusual. Colors, blues.
Oh, no, more head.
If you're coming up here, you got to try the vino alla mandorla almond wine. All types.
I got the cast.
The views from here, oh my lord.
I was gonna say, what's next?
Castelmola up there, and look at this view. Wow. Sun is trying to bust out here. And look at this view. Wow.
This is like incredible. And there's the castle.
And look at everyone enamored by this beautiful view.
This.
Look at these stairs.
It's just
This
like
is where
in the garden.
it's a beautiful walk over here. Take a look at this view from the Madonna della Rocca. We see this from Taormina, the cross, and here we are.
You want to go upstairs? Downstairs?
Amazing. All right, let's see the Greek theater. That is a significantly beautiful view of the Greek theater. Wow.
It is.
This is the scene January 1st. Still a little cloudy. Always magical here, no matter when. Look at everyone doing their selfies. You've got to get a picture by the tree.
Oh, is that Giordano
Beautiful.
Nexus down there?
That's Giardini Nexus down there.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I never lit the candles in there.
All right, now let's go to the BAM bar. Here is what we got from Bar Teresi from our friends Jim and Betty. Grazie mille.
All right.
We are at our friend Laura's. So I just walked.
Parlare italiano?
Sì, puoi parlare in italiano. So I was just taking a
Buonasera a
little.
tutti.
Happy New Year.
Felice anno nuovo.
Felice anno nuovo.
Felice fine anno e inizio nuovo anno.
It's the best jewelry in all of Taormina. I've been doing business with them for over 20 years. Laura is a peach. Believe me when I
Can you
said.
come over here and look at the coral from Sicily and all types of stones and let's see what else. Oh, our trinacria comes from here. Wait, let me show them my ring.
Hold on.
This ring that you got me last year.
Let me see it. Let me see the ring.
These.
Ooh.
Oh, was that supposed to be a surprise? Oops, Alfred got me this. It doesn't mean anything. It
Oh
just
my
is
God.
that. And wait, look. This
No
stuff.
wonder I'm broke.
But wait a sec. Look at all this stuff here, too.
No, this is the best stuff in all of Taormina. Come to Laura's. Tell her that Alfred sent you or Eszter sent you.
And let me tell you why she's so good. She was trained by her grandfather. In fact, she always says, I grew up among gold, because he took her to all the jewelry places all over Italy and gave her an eye on what stuff is good and what stuff is quality. So that's why she's the best.
When you come to this zone over here, you have one side, you have the flowing chocolates. Over here, they're making caramelized nuts. And the smell over here is just unbelievable. Look at the fountain of chocolate. You can have some chocolate and then go to the other side and have some nuts, candy fruit. Great shot. Look at this beautiful group of mine. That's mozzarella. Is that crudo? Yes. Mozzarella and a prosciutto and tomato. Here's the nero de sepia. Ooh, that looks good. That looks real good. What'd you get? What is this, Betty?
It's shrimp.
Shrimp scampi? Caponata, pomodoro. Good. Oh, look at that. Pollo aglio peperoncino. Oh, zuppa di cozze. Pasta con la sarda. Karen got the same thing as last year. It was that good, right? Steaming. Mangia. Linguine and lemon and pistachio.
Yes.
Buonissimo. Now that is one of the best looking dishes.
Yeah, I had this.
Al, yours looks good too. There's pasta alla norma, Betty and Lou. Let's see, we have a lot of empty plates. That's good. What did you have?
Never let me down before. I don't imagine.
We did it. We're here. Wonderful music, wonderful people. Food's been great. Just an excellent time. And my honey's dancing with me. And look, Lisa's
Die
here.
of trouble.
And Tom and Karen.
Never call my head on the floor.
This is our friend Sebastiano, who's going to be singing. What are you singing, Sebastiano?
A few Frank Sinatra, and maybe Call Me Prima, and I don't know, we'll just kind of wing it a little bit.
All right, with our buddy over there.
Well, have you ever planned to move to the west? Travel my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Travel my way, take the highway, that's the best.
Good January 2nd. That's what Mama Etna usually looks like. She's all white. What a fabulous time we've had. Now we're on our way to Messina, the city of Messina, and then Savoca, and then dinner at the residence. Great time. Great food, great people. The atmosphere was just electric. What else can I say? It was a beautiful time, and I can't wait till next year.
And all my good pals were there. Boog was there. Tommy was there.
Our new friends were there.
My new friend Anthony, who gave me 6 cigars, a pound of Dunkin' Donuts coffee, Esther.
And listen, and everyone else who was there and gave us beautiful presents. We love meeting our fans up there, so that was fun.
It was great, just great.
Now listen, before you go, I'm going to put some more music. One of our clients' father is a singer, and he performed some music on New Year's Day. It was just great, and Alfred and I danced, as you saw. So I'm going to leave you with a little bit more music from our experience. And I'll see you guys next week.
Se benedica e grazie per tutti. Buon anno. We love you very much. Ciao.
It feels so fine, shake your boogie. Come on, shake your boogie. Shake your boogie, it's alright with me. Shake your boogie. 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 Your boogie's alright with me. Shake your boogie. 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 Your boogie's alright with me.
Summertime, don't you cry. Summertime, don't you cry. Summertime, don't you cry. You always wait for dear back to see you looking swell.
And there's the daughter.
Baby, diamond bracelets for a dozen sell. Baby, I ain't gonna tell you better style.